Hey, what's up guys? In this video today we compare 3 best smartwatches, which is Amazfit GTR 4 limited edition versus Amazfit GTR 4 versus Amazfit GTS 4. So let's see the full video. Display comparison, display type, resolution, display size, pixel density, touch screen, body material, always on display, has buttons, has protection, design comparison, body weight, body height, body width, body thickness, body colors, strap width, strap material, compatibility comparison, has supported devices, platform comparison, has operating system, connectivity comparison, has Wi-Fi, has Bluetooth, has eSIM, waterproof, has positioning system, microphone, battery comparison, battery capacity, battery life, battery charging, battery charging duration, features comparison, sports modes, 24-hour monitoring, has motor, has buckle, loudspeaker, has chipset, hardware comparison, has RAM, has memory, sensors comparison, accelerometer, biometric sensor, ambient light sensor, geomagnetic sensor, cycle tracking, launch comparison, has launch date, has result, and last price, has price USD. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and make sure to subscribe. Gatgets compare.